In today's video, we are going to create some interesting images using oil and water, which is very popular macro subjects to click. And trust me, it's really easy and fun to create these at home. So let's get started. And after watching this video, I would like you to check out my Instagram page where I post all of these interesting images and some really amazing tips to improve your photography and editing. Coming back to the topic, let me quickly run you through everything that you need to create these images. You will surely be having everything available at home. So I'm using this Canon 24mm lens with my Sony camera. The reason that I'm using this lens because we need to go very close to the subject to capture the tiny details. Since we are not using a macro lens, we need a lens that can focus from a very close distance. Second, you need a glass container. Here we are using a medium sized bowl. You can also use any normal drinking glass. But I would suggest you to use a bigger container because of a reason, which I'll show you in a moment. Here the image on the left is shot using a normal drinking glass and the right one is with the bigger container. On the left image you can see there's a dark ring in the image. That's the base of the glass which is visible and it doesn't look right. If you are shooting with a macro lens, then it doesn't matter because that can go real close to the droplets and will make the background more blurry. Since I'm not using any macro lens, I will stick to the bigger container. Next thing, you have to search for some colorful images and you might be seeing these results. We'll just zoom the browser window to the maximum and put our screen brightness to the max. Once image is finalized, fix your laptop so that you can place the bowl on the screen. For the safety purpose, I'm using a transparent sheet over my screen. That's how we have to place the bowl over the laptop screen, and please be very careful while you do this. You don't have to overfill the container, otherwise it might spoil your screen. After filling the water, let's just put some oil on the surface. The problem in the droplets is that they can really get bigger and you cannot control them. But there's a trick for that. Just add few drops of dishwashing liquid in the water and it will keep the droplet shape intact. The oil bubbles are much better defined and you can create beautiful images by adding the dishwashing liquid. Moving to the camera setting, I'm using these camera setting and I'm also making sure that I don't use a slow shutter speed as that will make my subject blur because I'm not using a tripod. So these are the final images that we created with this setup. I hope you like this video and stay tuned for the next video where we are going to create some amazing long exposure zoom burst photography. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you don't miss the future videos. Till then, stay safe and keep creating.